Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to log out Gmail laptop. To start, open your Gmail account. Here, click on your user profile at the top right. When you do this, click Sign Out. This will close the active session. As you see, you can access it again from the main Gmail window. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.